Assalamu alaikum. So I've just finalized the breakdown of the 2 week WhatsApp workshop that I've planned for the Break Free from Addiction topic. The details are in the post here. If you want to join, I urge you to just send me a quick DM, and inshallah I'll give you the next steps of what to do. If you do have any, for example, if you feel like you can't live without certain foods, or once you start eating a certain type of food, for me it was like ice cream, cakes, chocolates, things like that. You feel like you can't stop, and it kind of leads on to the next thing, and then and the next thing and the next thing, and you end up in a kind of like an energy roller coaster where your energy is going up and down. And you also have extreme hunger pangs all day, literally. So you have something, and then an hour or two after eating, you feel hungry again. Unfortunately, this only happens with certain types of food, like ultra processed foods, and it's part of the design of them. So I really want people to understand what's going on with them. It wasn't until I figured out what was going on with my body, and what was going on with my mind, that I managed to actually reverse the effects. So I urge you, if you are struggling in terms of your energy levels, your food, and even your microbiome, if you've got stomach issues, constantly like constipated, bloated, it's most likely, for me anyway, it was because your microbiome just isn't getting the nutrients that it needs, and that is to do with the kinds of foods that you're eating, and the balance of the good foods and the kind of the snacks and the unhealthy variety. You just haven't got the balance right. I'm not saying you need to give everything up straight away. There's a process involved. It's almost therapy in a way. And I'm going to talk you through that day by day, step by step, inshallah. There's no judgment, there's no stigmatizing, there's no, nothing that you can't like discuss or talk about. We're going to be very open with each other and be honest with each other. It's not a a healthy quick scheme or anything like that. This is just genuine people getting together and trying to help each other with a very difficult, almost stigmatized topic. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hopefully see you on the inside. Just DM me to join, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.